In this video I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Soundcloud account. So if you want to delete your Soundcloud account, then make sure you watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. So first of all, open your Google and search for Soundcloud. Make sure you're logged into your account and then click on these three dots on the right. Click on settings, scroll down, and as you can see right here, remove account. Click on that and choose a reason. I'm just gonna choose this one, and then yes, I want to delete my account and all my tracks. Click on that and click delete my account. And as you can see, your account is deleted. Click on this and yeah, that's basically it. So if this video helps you out, please leave a like. Let me know in the comments if it worked, and I would appreciate that. Thanks.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.